This is a 2014 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner Double Cab Sport TRD, one owner with 58,000 miles. Yes, 58,000 miles, one senior owner, and this senior owner was Limo in absolutely stunning condition. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. The vehicle is running. Bed liner, sliding rear window, tow package. This will be the cleanest Tacoma you're going to find, I promise you. Incredibly clean. Not a door ding, not a scratch. Hard to find sport package. And then the TRD package along with it. And then 58,000 miles and then one senior owner. Good luck. We have two sets of floor mats for this. We have the original floor mats that are still in its original package because he bought all leather mats when he first bought the vehicle. So we have the original floor mats that are still in plastic. WeatherTech. Interior spotless. Still smells new. Absolutely in incredible condition. No cracked ash. Bluetooth radio, backup camera. 58,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. Brand new. Literally brand new. Literally brand new. I don't think the back seats have ever been sat in. So once again, this is a one-owner, senior-owned 2014 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab Pre-Runner TRD Sport with 58,000 miles, two-wheel drive in like new condition. Stunning truck.